Hair loss can be the result of heredity, hormonal changes, medical conditions, or a normal part of aging. Usage of chemicals in various treatments is damaging to our body and the environment. Let's see how we can make a natural hair oil for hair fall solution. For this recipe, firstly you need some betel leaf or pan leaves. Second ingredient is curry leaves, or it's still called curry patta. And the third ingredient is hibiscus leaves, or you can also take flowers if you don't have leaves. If you have both, that is also okay. And that's all. Just take handful of all of these. Next up is take a heating pan and throw in some fenugreek seeds, also called methi. Now crush the leaves with your hand and put it in the pan together. Hibiscus has naturally occurring amino acids which provides the hair with the nutrients that help in promoting hair growth. Betel leaves prevent hair loss and promote hair growth. Fenugreek seeds have high protein and nicotinic acid which fight against hair fall. And curry leaves are high in beta carotene and protein content which prevent hair loss and thinning of hair. Now you can take 2 cups of coconut oil and pour it in this pan. Coconut oil, as you all must be knowing, has vitamins and essential fatty acids to nourish the scalp and help to remove sebum built up from the hair follicles. Now this oil and natural leaves and seeds needs to be boiled for 15 to 20 minutes in high flame until all the leaves leave their oils and nutrients to our carrier oil here, which is coconut oil today. That's it. Now just strain the oil in a reusable bottle or any bottle that you have, and your natural hair fall oil is ready to roll. Why the switch to natural hair care is so important? The reason being that it has no harmful chemicals, it is kinder to the planet, it is sustainable, the scalp is always healthier, and there are no harsh chemicals and ingredients in here like sulfates and drying alcohol. Now how to use this treatment? Just massage gently with this oil 2 times in a week and leave it overnight. You can also try a hot towel treatment where you massage with oil and tie your hair with a hot towel for 20 minutes. After that, let it air dry and wash next day. Regarding the residue left here, I would never throw these leaves. Instead, blend it with yogurt or gram flour and use it as a hair mask. Leave it for a while and wash it off. This anti-hair fall oil is now ready. On that note, I will sign off. Hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe to the channel and follow me on Instagram to get all the updates. See you all soon with another sustainable idea for natural living.